A very good morning, dear students. I hope you are all doing good and are safe at your place. Today, we are going to discuss the chapter from Unit 6, and the name of the chapter is The Scholar's Mother Tongue. The Scholar's Mother Tongue. The story is adapted from Akbar and Birbal stories. You must have known, you must have heard the Akbar and Birbal stories, very famous stories. This story tells us about the wisdom of Birbal, a minister in Akbar's court. He was the most famous advisor in the court of Akbar. Birbal is known for his cleverness, wittiness. You must have known, children. So, children, before starting the story, I would like all of you to observe this picture for a few seconds. As you all must have observed in this picture, there is a king, some courtiers, which means companions and advisors of the king. जो किंग के राजा के सलाहकार होते हैं कोर्ट में, दरबार में, उनको क्या कहते हैं? कोर्टियर्स. एंड अ प्रीस्ट इज ऑल्सो देयर. Priest means Pandit. So this story is about the King Akbar's court, and of course the Birbal, the famous minister of King Akbar. The scholar's mother tongue. Scholar means, what do you mean by scholar? The word scholar here means a person who is highly educated. जो बहुत पढ़ा लिखा विद्वान होता है उस पर्सन को क्या बोलते हैं? स्कॉलर. सो दिस स्टोरी इज अबाउट अ हाईली एजुकेटेड पर्सनस मदर टंग. एंड व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय मदर टंग? द लैंग्वेज यू स्पीक्स फ्रॉम चाइल्डहुड. ठीक है, मातृभाषा. लेट्स रीड एंड अंडरस्टैंड द स्टोरी. A learned Pandit once visited the court of Akbar. He told the king and his courtiers that he had mastery over many different languages. एक बार की बात है, एक लर्नेड पंडित मीन्स एक पढ़ा लिखा विद्वान पंडित जो है अकबर की कोर्ट को विजिट करता है. विजिट मीन्स to go or come to a place to spend time with someone or to see a place. Like you visited a museum, ठीक है, you go to see a museum, so you visit it. When you come to your friend's house, you visited your friend's house just to spend time with your friend. Okay, now you understand what do you mean by visit. He told the king and his courtiers that he had mastery over many different languages. Means he told them about his expertise over many different languages. वो क्या बताता है किंग के कोर्ट में आकर, दरबार में आकर उनके दरबारियों को और किंग को क्या बताते हैं वो पंडित जो हैं कि उसकी मास्टरी है, बहुत सारी लैंग्वेजेस वो आराम से बोल सकते हैं. ठीक है, वो फ्लुएंट हैं, वो धारा प्रवाह हैं और वो जो है इजीली बहुत सारे लैंग्वेजेस को बोल सकते हैं. ठीक है, तो इस तरह से एक बार लर्नेड जो पंडित हैं वो आते हैं अकबर की कोर्ट में और इस तरह से अपने बारे में बताते हैं. Next stanza. The Pandit could speak many languages fluently. He was so fluent that no one could find out what his mother tongue was. He challenged everybody at the court to name his mother tongue. When everyone failed, the challenge was taken up by Birbal. So, in this paragraph, it is given that the Pandit could speak many languages fluently. इस पैराग्राफ में क्या बताया गया है कि पंडित जो थे, एज आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू, ही कुड स्पीक मैनी ऑफ द लैंग्वेजेस, डिफरेंट लैंग्वेजेस फ्लुएंटली मीन्स ईजीली और स्मूथली. फ्लुएंट का मीन है ईजीली और स्मूथली. वो इतने सारे लैंग्वेजेस बोल सकते थे एंड ही वॉज सो फ्लुएंट दैट नो वन कुड फाइंड आउट वॉट हिज मदर टंग वॉज. And he was so fluent that people were unable to find out what his mother tongue was. लोगों को ये पता ही नहीं चल पा रहा था कि उसकी मदर टंग क्या है. So he challenged everybody at the court. ठीक है, he invited into competition everybody. जो दरबार में उसने सभी को चैलेंज दिया, चुनौती दी है ना, to tell his mother tongue. What is his mother tongue? When everyone failed, because he could speak so fluently and no one was able to find out his mother tongue, so everybody failed, then the challenge was taken up by Birbal. Means the challenge was accepted by Birbal then. So moving on to our next stanza. That night Birbal went quietly to the Pandit's room when he was asleep. He whispered into the Pandit's ear and tickled it with a feather. The Pandit, half awake, cried out suddenly and shouted out words in his mother tongue. So children, as you all know, the famous advisor of Akbar's court was Birbal, and he is known for his cleverness, wittiness. So when everybody failed in recognizing the mother tongue of the priest, the Pandit, Birbal accepted the challenge. And what did Birbal do after accepting the challenge? He went to the Pandit's room while he was sleeping. जब पंडित जी सो रहे होते हैं रात को, वो उनके रूम में जाता है बीरबल, and he spoke in a very low voice. He whispered into the Pandit's ear. Whisper means to speak in a very low voice. He tickled its ear with a feather. Okay, tickle means टच इट विद अ फेदर, है ना, टच लाइटली विद अ फेदर और अ फिंगर, जैसे गुदगुदी करना, उस टाइप से उसने फेदर से उसको टच किया उसके ईयर को. एंड द पंडित हाफ अवेक cried out suddenly, and the Pandit got disturbed and shouted something in his mother tongue. और जो पंडित जी थे वो डिस्टर्ब हो गए, है ना, और उन्होंने शाउट किया अपनी मदर टंग में. एंड नाउ ड्यू टू हिज Birbal heard carefully, है ना, and came to know his mother tongue. Next stanza. Birbal came to the court the next day and told everyone that the Pandit's mother tongue was Telugu. The Pandit was surprised and accepted the truth. King Akbar then asked Birbal, "How did you find the truth?" Birbal answered, "In times of difficulty, a person speaks only in his mother tongue." He also told the king how he had gone to the Pandit's room at night to find out the truth. So next day Birbal told everyone that Pandit's mother tongue is Telugu. Next day बीरबल ने कोर्ट में सबको बताया कि जो पंडित की मदर टंग है वो तेलुगु है. एंड the Pandit was surprised. Who was surprised? The priest was surprised and accepted the truth that his mother tongue was Telugu. Okay? And then Akbar asked Birbal. What did he ask? He asked, how did he find the truth? To this, Birbal told him everything, that how he went to the Pandit's room while he was sleeping and how he tickled him to know the truth. Birbal told Akbar that every person speaks in his mother tongue in the times of difficulty. बीरबल ने अकबर को बताया कि वो कैसे उसके रूम में गया एक रात और कैसे उसने ट्रूथ फाइंड किया कि उसकी जो मदर टंग तेलुगु है. एंड ही ऑल्सो टोल्ड अकबर दैट इन द टाइम ऑफ डिफ़िकल्टी, है ना, जब कुछ डिफ़िकल्ट सिचुएशन होती है तो अ पर्सन ऑलवेज स्पीक्स हिज मदर टंग. ही ऑल्सो टोल्ड द किंग हाउ ही हैड गॉन टू द पंडित्स रूम. ओके, so Birbal told Akbar that every person speaks in his mother tongue in the times of difficulty. That is how he came to know the truth of Pandit's mother tongue. Okay, children? So what is the moral of the story? What lesson have you learned from this story? We should always be polite and should not show off our knowledge to disgrace other. Okay? हमें हमेशा polite होना चाहिए और कभी भी show off नहीं करना चाहिए. We should not brag about ourselves. ठीक है? We should not boast about our knowledge to disgrace others. This is the story of Akbar and Birbal. Let's now discuss the new words in the story. Mother tongue, the language which a person speaks from childhood. Challenged, invited into competition. Tickled, to touch lightly with a finger or a feather. Irritated, feeling of slight anger. Hope you must have understood the explanation and the new words in the story. Thank you, children. Have a great day.